I'm in front of Treasure Island here in Las Vegas. That is the entrance. So let's check it out. So let me go to the other side because that is where the registration is. So if you're going to stay here at Treasure Island, Las Vegas, so the other entrance is for the casino, and then this is the bell desk. But this is the way to the registration. Registration, and I think this is also parking. Oh, for the valet then. Yeah, that's the valet right there. And this is the entrance to the hotel registration. Oh yeah. So this is Treasure Island's hotel registration. So they have VIP services. That's the bell desk. Then, yep, hotel registration. And when we go here, so this restaurant is closed. Looks like they have the lobby. They have the lobby store, but this is now closed. So let's go here. Oh, these are check in and check out. Oh, okay. So this is where the entrance was that I passed by. So this was the one. So there are restrooms here, and then this is where Gillies Las Vegas is. Gillies Las Vegas. Okay. So you know what? Let's go around here. Oh, okay. So this is where the table games are. Table games. Table games. And that's where the Gillies is. So, so where the Gillies. So they have the Gillies trading post. Oh, okay. So it's closed right now. And this is the Siren's Cove artwork. And then this is their cashier ticket redemption. And so you could see all the table games here. So let's go around here. Ah, okay. So they have the Siren Scope shop. All right. Oh, looks like this was Senior Frog before, but it looks like it's closed right now. It's closed. All right. Okay. And you can see that it says Bridge to Fashion Show. Popeyes. This is their food court. And then this is the way to Walgreens. So, okay. So this Big Chill Margarita bar is closed for now. And they have the Bubbly Boo, it's closed. So this is okay. So they changed this to Yacht Club Seafood Restaurant. Okay. So let's go. Yep. Then this is their Golden Circle Sports Book and Bar. Oh, all right. So, yep, you could place bets. Okay. Okay, there is this check in and check out at Treasure Island right here. And this is the Mystere Theater, Cirque du Soleil, and their box office. And they have this brand new spot here, which is called the Cove Bar and Arcade. All right. So this is brand new. And so they have bowling too in here, mini bowling. All right. So this is the bar. So it's now open, and these are the hours. The Mystere Shop. Okay. So this is their gift shop, and no outside food or beverages, but this is how their sports book looks like. All right. So let's go around here. So the hotel elevators. It says here, please be prepared to show your room key or to security personnel. Right. Vietnamese pho. They have an artwork. Then they have a bar here. Okay, looks like all right. Helicopter tours of the strip, and this is the way to the lobby and the valet. So let's go back here. And yeah, those are the, this is the bar right here, bar, and these are the table games right here. All right. So this is called the Breeze Bar. And that's Gilly's, the bar, and then this is the TI Players Club. TI Players Club. Okay, so these are the high limit slots. Uh, I could go right through here. So this is the high limit slots. Okay, let's go around here. And that was the high limit lounge. People on table games to my left. Okay, let's see. So this goes out to the strip. Okay, so that is the Sirens Cove shop. This is the Senior Frog, so yep, it's closed. And then this is Hertz. Okay, and then this is the ship. And then that is the Treasure Island. And this is the ship right here. Okay, and there's the other ship. So looks like the fountains are not working, operating, and so they removed. There was a ticket stand here before, but they removed it, so it's all clear in here. Okay, and then this is the entrance to Gillies, entrance and exit. All right, and you could see the TI sign. And so this is the front of Treasure Island together with the ship. All right. All right. Like watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and be part of Las Vegas Walking Tour Club. Thank you for watching. Watch the video next, and I'll see you on my next video.